Most people in Finland use digital wallets every single day without realizing they are either making their financial life easier or silently missing out on better savings and smarter payment options. And the biggest mistake you need to avoid is assuming all digital wallets in Finland work the same way. They don't. Some are just payment tools, some are full banking systems, and a few actually help you reduce fees, track spending, and improve financial control. Here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, digital wallets in Finland are not just about tapping your phone at a store. They are part of a highly connected digital finance ecosystem that controls how you spend, how you transfer money, and how efficiently you manage your daily life. And if you use them correctly, you can save time, reduce friction, and even optimize your spending habits without changing your lifestyle. In this video, you are going to learn the 10 best digital wallets in Finland for 2026. But more importantly, you will understand exactly how each one works, when to use it, and how smart users combine them for maximum efficiency. Now here is something most beginners miss. There is no single perfect wallet in Finland. The real advantage comes from combining multiple tools depending on your needs. Let's start immediately because the first one is already used everywhere in Finland, every single day. Number 1 is Apple Pay. Apple Pay is one of the most widely used digital wallets in Finland. You can use it in supermarkets, cafes, restaurants, public transport, and almost anywhere contactless payments are accepted. But here is where most people misunderstand it. Apple Pay itself does not provide cashback or rewards. It is simply a secure payment layer. The rewards depend entirely on the bank card you connect to it. For example, Alex in Helsinki uses Apple Pay linked to his OP Financial Group card. Every time he taps his phone, the payment is instant and secure, but any benefits come from his bank, not Apple Pay. Now here is the problem. Many users think Apple Pay generates rewards. That is not correct. But here is where it gets interesting. Apple Pay is extremely powerful in Finland because it works almost everywhere and integrates seamlessly with major banks like OP, Nordea, Danske Bank, and Aktia. And in a minute, I will show you a system that helps you completely eliminate card friction and speed up daily payments even more. Let's move to number 2. Google Wallet. Google Wallet is the main alternative to Apple Pay in Finland, especially for Android users. Just like Apple Pay, it does not directly offer cashback. It stores your debit and credit cards and allows secure tap payments using your phone. For example, Sarah in Espoo links her Nordea and S-Pankki cards to Google Wallet. Every payment goes through her bank, and rewards depend on her card provider. But here is the catch. Google Wallet only becomes powerful based on the cards you connect. If your card has no benefits, the wallet does not create extra value. Now here is where it gets interesting. Google Wallet allows fast switching between cards, which helps you optimize spending for groceries, travel, and online purchases. In a minute, I will show you Finland's most important payment system that almost everyone uses daily without even thinking about it. Let's move to number 3, MobiilePay. MobiilePay is one of the most important digital payment systems in Finland and is used by millions of people. It allows instant money transfers between individuals, payments in stores, online purchases, and even small business transactions. For example, Jake in Tampere uses MobiilePay to split restaurant bills instantly with friends. No cash, no delay, no confusion. Now here is where it gets interesting. In Finland, MobiilePay is so widely used that people often don't exchange bank account details anymore. They simply say, "I'll MobiilePay you." But here is the problem. MobiilePay is not a cashback system. It is purely a transfer and payment platform. Still, it is essential because it replaces cash almost completely in daily life. Let's move to number 4, Pivo. Pivo is a Finnish digital wallet that is especially popular among students and younger users. It allows payments, loyalty tracking, and money transfers in a simple mobile interface. For example, Emma in Turku uses Pivo to split bills with classmates and track her spending. Now, here is where it gets interesting. Pivo is heavily integrated with Finnish banks like OP, making it very convenient for domestic payments. But here is the catch. It is mainly focused on Finland and is not designed for international use. Let's move to number 5, OP Financial Group app. OP is one of the largest financial groups in Finland, and its app is widely used for banking and payments. It allows transfers, bill payments, budgeting tools, and card management. For example, Mike in Helsinki uses the OP app to manage salary deposits and track monthly spending. Now, here's the problem. Like most banks, rewards depend on credit cards, not the wallet itself. But here's where it gets interesting. OP provides strong budgeting tools that automatically categorize your spending and help you control your finances more efficiently. Let's move to number 6, Nordea Wallet. Nordea is another major bank in Finland with a strong digital banking system. It allows payments, transfers, and financial tracking in one app. For example, Lisa in Espoo uses Nordea app to manage savings and daily expenses. Now here's where it gets interesting. Nordea sometimes offers partner discounts and card-based promotions. But here's the catch. The wallet itself is focused on banking, not rewards. Let's move to number 7, S-Pankki. S-Pankki is widely used in Finland, especially for everyday shopping and grocery-related banking. It allows payments, savings management, and card control. For example, David in Helsinki uses S-Pankki app to manage grocery spending and monthly budgeting. Now, here is where it gets interesting. S-Group integration allows users to potentially benefit from store-related offers. But here is the problem. The rewards depend on loyalty programs, not the wallet alone. Let's move to number 8, Revolut. Revolut is increasingly popular in Finland, especially among travelers and digital professionals. It allows multi-currency accounts, low exchange fees, and real-time spending tracking. For example, Kevin in Helsinki uses Revolut when traveling across Europe to avoid currency conversion fees. Now, here is where it gets interesting. Revolut sometimes offers cashback and partner deals depending on your subscription plan. But here is the catch. Premium features require paid upgrades. Let's move to number 9, Wise. Wise is not a traditional wallet, but it is extremely important for international money transfers. It allows low-cost currency conversion and global payments. For example, Sarah in Finland uses Wise to send money to relatives abroad with minimal fees. Now here is where it gets interesting. Wise is one of the cheapest ways to move money internationally. But here is the problem. It is not designed for daily domestic shopping. Finally, number 10. Samsung Wallet Turai. Samsung Wallet is used by Samsung smartphone users in Finland and combines payments, loyalty cards, and secure access features. It allows contactless payments using stored cards and integrates with supported banks. For example, John in Helsinki uses Samsung Wallet for quick payments in cafes and stores. But here is the reality. Samsung Wallet does not provide standalone cashback. It depends entirely on linked cards. Now here is where it gets interesting. It is best for convenience and ecosystem integration. Now let's bring everything together because this is where most people finally understand the real system. There is no single best digital wallet in Finland. Each one serves a different purpose. Apple Pay is best for fast contactless payments. Google Wallet is best for Android users and flexibility. MobilePay is best for instant transfers. Pivo is best for simple local payments. Bank apps like OP, Nordea and S-Pankki are best for financial control. Revolut is best for travel and currency savings. Wise is best for international transfers. Samsung Wallet is best for ecosystem convenience. But here is the biggest mistake people make. They try to rely on only one wallet for everything. That is exactly why they miss out on convenience and efficiency. Now, here is the smart strategy in 2026. Use Apple Pay or Google Wallet for daily payments. Use MobilePay or Pivo for local transfers. Use bank apps for financial planning and budgeting. Use Revolut for travel spending. Use Wise for international transfers. Use credit cards for rewards optimization. This is how smart users in Finland build a complete financial system instead of relying on one app. And here is the final insight most people never realize. Digital wallets are not just payment tools. They are financial systems that shape how efficiently you manage your money every single day. Every saved fee, Every optimized transaction and every smart financial decision adds up over time. Now, let's quickly summarize. Apple Pay and Google Wallet provide convenience. MobilePay and Pivo enable local transfers. Bank apps provide financial control. Revolut provides travel flexibility. Wise provides global transfers. Samsung Wallet provides ecosystem convenience. Credit cards provide real rewards. If you combine them correctly, you are not just using apps anymore. You are building a complete financial strategy. And if you found this helpful, make sure to like, comment your favorite wallet in Finland, and subscribe because the next video will show you how Europeans are stacking digital wallets with credit cards to maximize rewards without changing their spending habits.